Honey, I need you to stop what you are doing right now, because what I am about to share with you today could completely change the way you walk out of your house every single morning. I am talking about those pants. Yes, those pants, hanging in your closet right now, that you keep reaching for without thinking twice. The ones you have worn so many times that they feel safe, familiar, easy. But here is the hard truth, my sister. Safe is not always serving you. And some of those pants, they are quietly, slowly, working against every bit of the radiance you carry. Welcome to Ebony Black Queen. This is the channel where Black women over 50 come to celebrate themselves, dress with power, and live with unshakable confidence. And today, we are having a real conversation. Not a polished, surface-level one, a real one, because you deserve honesty, not flattery. I am about to walk you through 5 pant styles that are aging you, shrinking your silhouette, and hiding the version of yourself that deserves to be seen. And I am not stopping there. For every single one, I'm giving you a gorgeous alternative that will have you looking and feeling like the queen you have always been. Before we get into it, I want you to do something for me right now. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications, because this community, the Ebony Black Queen community, is built for women exactly like you. Women who are over 50, living fully, and ready to show up in the world looking absolutely unforgettable. And if you are already subscribed, drop a comment below and tell me where you are watching from. Are you in Lagos, Accra, London, Chicago, Atlanta? Let me know, because we are a global sisterhood, and I love seeing where our queens are tuning in from. Now, let us get into these pants, because I promise you, by the time this video is over, you will be looking at your wardrobe with completely new eyes. Here is something that nobody says loudly enough. After 50, your body has not gotten worse, it has gotten wiser. Your curves have shifted, your proportions have changed. Your whole presence carries a depth and a gravity that your younger self was still growing into. But if you are still dressing the way you did at 35 or 40, your clothes are not keeping up with who you have become. And that mismatch, it shows. Not because anything is wrong with your body, but because the wrong pants can erase your shape, add years to your appearance, and dim the light that naturally surrounds a woman of your caliber. So let us fix that, starting right now.
Pants number 1. And I am leading with this one because I know it will get a reaction. High-waisted mom jeans with a stiff, boxy fit. Now wait, before you scroll to the comments to argue with me, hear me out. Because this is not about denim. Denim is timeless. A well-fitted jean is absolutely a staple. This is specifically about those stiff, high-waisted jeans with no stretch, a boxy cut through the hips and thighs, and a silhouette that creates a straight, shapeless line from waist to ankle. Here is what they are doing to you. That rigid fabric does not move with your body. It fights against your curves instead of flowing with them. And because there is no give, no drape, no softness, the fabric bunches and pulls in all the wrong places. The result is a look that feels frumpy rather than polished, heavy rather than sleek, and honestly, a little stuck in time. For Black women over 50 who have beautiful, powerful, womanly bodies, stiff, boxy jeans are simply not doing the work. They flatten what should be celebrated. They hide what deserves to be honored. So what is the upgrade? Straight leg or slim cut jeans with a good stretch blend. Look for denim that has at least 2% elastane in the fabric. That little bit of stretch makes an enormous difference. It means the denim skims your body instead of stiffening against it. It means your curves are shaped, not hidden. It means you can move with ease and still look incredibly put together. Choose a mid to high rise with a clean front. No excessive pockets across the seat, no embellishments. Just clean, smooth denim that flatters your figure from every angle. Pair them with a flowy blouse tucked lightly at the front or a fitted knit top, and you have a look that is effortlessly modern, beautifully feminine, and 100% you. Go ahead and drop a comment right now. Tell me, do you have a pair of those stiffed boxy jeans in your closet? Let us be honest with each other today. Pants number 2, and this one might sting a little. Shapeless elastic waist trousers in dull, flat colors. Now I know, comfort matters. After 50, you are not interested in suffering for fashion, and you should not have to. But here's the thing, my sister. Comfort and style are not enemies. They can absolutely coexist. And elastic waist trousers in washed out beige or faded gray or lifeless black are not giving you either. Here's what they are really doing.
That fully elasticated waistband has no structure, so it cinches in a way that creates a gathered, bunched look right at your middle. And that bunching draws the eye exactly where you may not want it. Then the fabric, usually thin and limp, drops straight down with no shape, no movement, no life. The result is a silhouette that reads as shapeless from top to bottom. And the colors, the colors. Muted, dull, forgettable shades do not honor your melanin. Your rich, beautiful skin tone is made to be set off by color, by contrast, by depth. Faded, flat hues wash you out and make you disappear into the background. But here's the good news. The solution keeps all the comfort you love and adds something magnificent on top of it. Look for pull-on trousers with a wide, flat waistband. Not a narrow, gathered elastic, but a structured wide band that lays smooth against your waist and creates a clean line. These trousers come in stunning fabrics, pant knit, crepe, soft linen blends, and they have actual shape, a tapered leg, a slightly fitted seat, movement that is graceful rather than shapeless. And the color. Choose jewel tones that make your melanin pop. Deep plum, rich forest green, warm terracotta, vibrant cobalt blue. Or go bold with a print. A gorgeous African wax print trouser in a tailored cut is one of the most powerful fashion statements a black woman over 50 can make. It says, I know who I am, I know my heritage, and I dress accordingly. If you haven't subscribed to Ebony Black Queen yet, this is your moment, my darling. We talk about this kind of real, practical, empowering style every single week. Hit that subscribe button right now and join us. You will not regret it.
Pants number 3. Cropped pants that end right at mid-calf. I know these had their moment, and in theory, cropped pants sound like a great idea, especially in warm weather. But the mid-calf crop is one of the most visually shortening cuts in fashion, and here is exactly why. When any garment ends at the widest part of your leg, which for most women is mid-calf, the eye reads that width as even wider than it is. It is a visual proportion issue. The pants cut your leg in half at its fullest point, creating a chunky, interrupted line instead of a long, continuous one. And for black women with strong, beautiful calves, this cut does us absolutely no favors. Beyond the proportions, mid-calf crops often come with thin, insubstantial fabric and a dated, casual feel that does not translate to the elevated style that a woman of your presence deserves. The much better option is the ankle-length straight-leg pant or the full-length white-leg trouser. Both of these create a long, uninterrupted line from hip to hemline that elongates your entire frame and makes you appear taller, leaner, and more commanding. For the ankle-length style, hem it right above the ankle bone, not below, not at mid-calf, right at that slender point just above the ankle. That is your most flattering hemline. Choose fabrics that have body and structure, cotton twill, linen, ponte, colors that complement your complexion, and outfits that feel intentional and complete. Wear them with a block heel sandal or a loafer, and you have a look that is polished, modern, and deeply sophisticated. This is what dressing for your era looks like. Not younger, better. Now I want to pause here for just a moment and ask you something. Which of these pants so far are you recognizing from your own wardrobe? Drop a number in the comments. 1, 2, or 3. Let me know I am speaking to someone today, because I see you, my sister, and I am rooting for you. Pants number 4. Oversized wide leg pants with no structure. Before you come for me, yes, wide leg trousers are on my list of alternatives. But there is a massive difference between a structured, elegant wide leg trouser and an oversized, shapeless pair of pants that swallows your entire body. The version I am talking about here is the kind with too much fabric, too little structure, and no defined waistline. The kind that floats around your body like a curtain, hiding everything, defining nothing, and giving the impression that you have simply disappeared inside your own outfit. Wide leg dressing, when done correctly, is one of the most powerful and regal silhouettes available to a mature woman, but the key word is correctly. Structured, tailored, balanced. When the pants have no form, no clean lines, and no waist definition, the entire look collapses. You lose your shape, you lose your height, you lose your presence, and a woman like you cannot afford to lose her presence. The right wide leg trouser has a defined waistband that sits cleanly at your natural waist or just below. The fabric is substantial enough to hold its shape as it flows down your leg. Crepe, satin, quality linen, fabrics that drape with intention rather than collapse with weight. Always pair wide leg trousers with a fitted or tucked in top. This is the golden rule. Volume on the bottom demands definition on top. A sleek fitted blouse, a slim turtleneck, a tailored blazer. That balance is what creates the silhouette of a woman who knows exactly what she is doing. Add a heel of any height, even a small block heel or a wedge, and the transformation is complete. You will look and feel like you are walking a runway, because honestly, At this stage of your life, every entrance you make should feel exactly like that. And finally, pants number 5, the one that I know is going to get the most comments. Printed palazzo pants worn as the focal point of an unplanned outfit. Now, palazzo pants themselves are not the villain here. They are actually deeply rooted in the fashion traditions that many of us grew up with, and they can be absolutely breathtaking on a black woman. But there is a way to wear them that elevates you, and a way to wear them that overwhelms you. When palazzo pants are oversized, heavily printed, and paired with a top that has no intentional relationship with the pattern or the volume, the look becomes chaotic rather than curated. The eye does not know where to look, the silhouette has no anchor, and the overall impression is of someone who got dressed quickly rather than someone who styled herself deliberately. Here is how you wear palazzo pants and look like an absolute vision. Choose a palazzo in a rich, bold, culturally resonant print or a deep saturated solid. Then pair it with a fitted solid colored top that picks up one of the tones from the print. Tuck it in or use a half tuck to define your waist. Add a simple heel or a flat sandal with a clean line. One statement accessory. That is the complete look. Intentional, balanced, powerful. The print tells a story and your styling makes sure that story has a clear beginning, middle, and end. That is the difference between wearing your clothes and commanding them. So let us come back together for a moment and reflect on everything we have walked through today. We talked about stiff, boxy jeans that fight against your curves and replace them with stretch blend straight leg denim that celebrates your shape. We let go of shapeless elastic waist trousers in dull colors and chose structured wide band pull-ons in jewel tones and rich prints that honor your melanin. We retired the mid-calf crop that cuts your leg short and found the ankle-length straight leg that makes you look every inch the tall, commanding woman you are. We released the oversized wide leg with no structure and embraced the tailored, draped wide leg trouser that moves like poetry when you walk. And we talked about how to wear printed palazzo pants with the intention and balance that makes them a masterpiece rather than an afterthought. Here is what I want you to carry with you from today. Every single no we talked about came with a yes, a better yes, a more powerful, more flattering, more you yes. Because fashion after 50 is not about restriction. It is about revelation. It is about finally having the wisdom to know what serves you and the confidence to choose it without apology. You have spent decades building a life of substance, depth, and beauty. Your wardrobe should reflect every bit of that. Every time you open your closet, you should be choosing clothes that rise to meet the woman you are today, not the woman you were 20 years ago, the woman you are right now. And she is extraordinary. So here is your assignment, my sister. This week, open your closet. Look at your pants with fresh eyes. Ask yourself honestly, does this piece honor my body? Does it reflect my power? Does it make me feel like the queen I know I am? If the answer is no, it is time to release it with love and make room for something worthy of your energy. You have earned the right to dress magnificently. You have earned the right to take up space beautifully. You have earned the right to walk into every room and own it, from the moment your heel touches the floor to the moment you grace the last seat at the table. If today's conversation opened something up for you, I want to hear about it. Drop a comment below and tell me which pant you are saying goodbye to first. Or tell me which style you are most excited to try. Either way, let us keep this conversation going, because that is what this community is built for. And if you have been watching for a while and you still have not subscribed, today is the day, my darling. Hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, because every week on Ebony Black Queen, we are talking fashion, wellness, and the kind of lifestyle that keeps Black women over 50 glowing, growing, and absolutely unstoppable. Until next time, stand tall, dress with intention, and never ever forget that you are royalty. Not because of what you wear, but because of who you are. And who you are deserves to be dressed accordingly. See you next time, Queen.